up, y'all? Trucker's Life, and we back. Let me take this damn headset off. I've been riding with it all day. Be right back. There we go. Alright, y'all, we back with another one. Y'all see I got the frying pan out. Just got done cleaning all my shit I need to use. Went to Subway, got my veggies that I need. My free veggies. You know, I live on a budget over here, so. Put this butter in here. First thing we're gonna do is start this this pork chop. This pork chop right here. This pork chop. Yeah, we about to do this. Doing something different. I'm experimenting today, y'all. We're gonna see how it turns out. I'm actually gonna be using all three of my dishes today with my cooking utensils. Because I'm making 3 different kind of proteins. For y'all that don't know what a protein is, it's a meat. I'm making a pork one. I'm making pork, shrimp, and chorizo. Well, the shrimp one's gonna have chorizo in it too. But that one is gonna be quick to cook, so I ain't gotta start that or the regular chorizo one. But hey, I'm about to season the butter. A little bit of that. Y'all know the seasonings that I have in this loaner truck, so. This is a thick cut pork chop. I almost said steak. Thick cut pork chop. I know when I get done cooking the pork chop, I'm actually gonna need a little bit more butter, but we're gonna be good for right now, y'all. So hey, we're gonna put this pork chop in. I don't want to cross-contaminate nothing, so I'm gonna use my tongs for this. And then when I go off camera, when I pause the video, I'm gonna clean these tongs again before I use them for the next thing, for the shrimps and stuff. Cause we got the Gulf shrimp. Y'all see that? And we got the chorizo. I know that don't look good. It look like shit. Looks like somebody bagged up a bag of dookie. I'm just playing this chorizo. But hey, I'm about to season the top now. Oh no, man, I'm in love with the season. I gotta buy a bigger bottle of it, a bigger thing of it. Hey, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. We doing our thing over here. We ain't growing no more. We done hit a plateau, I guess. But hey, like I said, y'all liking, comment, sharing, and subscribing is gonna make it grow faster. Cause I don't have no other support. I don't get likes and comments and all that from family. So y'all pretty much the only people I got to grow my stuff is strangers. So hey, we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back, and we gotta move this over here real quick. My headset up here. Move this pan right up here over the top of my freezer. We're gonna move this. My little lunch belt oven. Move that right there. Grab the pan, put it in there. And grab some chorizo. Chorizo. Aye. Sorry. A little too far, but hey, it is what it is. I'm not gonna make a lot of it, just, you know, I might make more. Because that way I can have breakfast in the morning. Put that in here. Aye. The chorizo. I'm just playing every time I hear chorizo, it reminds me of that. Y'all know we truck drivers. We be out here alone, so y'all is my interaction. We're gonna plug that in. I'm gonna poke it down a little bit. smash a chorizo. But hey, how was y'all day today? Hey, y'all not leaving very many comments no more. What's going? Well, you never have really, but what's going on, man? Y'all not hitting that like button. Y'all not leaving comments. What's up? Y'all don't want to grow? Y'all don't want to grow with me? Let me know. Let me know what I'm doing that I can improve on. Oh, I'm always in for constructive criticism. But hey, we'll be back. Y'all, we back. Already put the eggs in. I just gotta mix it up. Yeah, I know how to make chorizo on the eggs. That's why this ain't no big deal. Mix it up real good. And it will cook up pretty quick, so I gotta get the other stuff going too. This one's gonna be a simple one. This is easy. Now we're gonna put this back right here. We're gonna grab the pot, and we'll be right back. So I'm gonna stand up and plug it in. I gotta flip this pork chop real quick. While that heats up, let me do this. So let that cook. Let that ride. Ride. Grab this pan back. Right here, it's gonna take some time to heat up. But while I'm waiting for that to heat up, we'll grab some more chorizo. This one's gonna be the different one. This is an experimental flavor right here. I've never done this flavor mix before, but we're gonna do it today. We're not gonna grab a lot of chorizo for this one. Maybe like that much. Instead of using butter, I'm gonna use the chorizo as a fat to saute the shrimp. You feel me? And then what we got over here, I'm gonna see if I can do this, if it'll work with these. But I got the uncooked tortillas, and I'm gonna stuff them with the shredded pork. Shred up the pork chop, make a sauce with it. I got some cheese. And we're gonna do it like that with that. And then we're just gonna put the chorizo, egg and cheese in one, and then shrimp and chorizo on the other. Let's see how it comes out, y'all. Experimental day. We experimenting, y'all, and we'll be back. We back. We better take this out. Of course. We're gonna leave this butter and stuff in here, because we're not done with this yet. Add a little bit. Now I'm probably gonna leave it like that. Where's my knife? I don't have my damn knife back here. Did I bring it back here? I don't think I did. I'm an idiot. I'll be right back. Let me grab it real quick. It's right up here. There we go. I'm letting the butter brown a little bit more. That's just going to intensify the butter's flavor. just gonna give it not too much of a chop, but we're gonna give it some chop. Oh shoot! Let me put this back here real quick. Grab the eggs. Make sure this shit ain't burning. Too many things going at once, huh? Not really. These feel good. Okay. Mix it around a little bit more. See how long it takes these things to cook in a truck? That's what I tell y'all. I'll be having to make sure I got hours if I'm gonna use this stuff. That's why the last few days I've been using my grill, because it's faster, easier to clean up. Well, these are easy. They're easy. See? There we go. Mix it around and close it off. Put it back. Now check these up here. Okay, we're gonna dump the shrimp in here. See, you want to coat the shrimp, not enough to where it nice and coated shrimp. We're gonna take some onion powder, of course. Put that in there. Not too much. You don't want to overpower the chorizo. A little bit of garlic powder. Garlic salt. There we go. Where did I put my pepper? You got so many things going at once, you lose it. Just a little bit. Did y'all see where I put my damn peppers? Well, it's in the simplest place. Oh, told you, right in front of me. A little bit of that. And then of course you add a little bit of butter, just a little bit, to cut some of that richness. Even though butter is a strong flavor, it cuts that chorizo richness. You see, I just used a little bit. Then we're gonna sit this back here. We're gonna continue on this pork chop. Try it real quick. That is good. Section off. Now we just want to try this. That's really good. You get the sauce going. Mix it around. You still got that pork fat in there. And some of these mushrooms. And I'm just gonna put them in the storage bag after I'm done. That I thought I would put that into the sauce. I bought two things of mushrooms, but I ate the other one with some blue cheese. Fire, y'all. That's so good. Goes in there. We're gonna add some more onion powder, of course. Minced garlic. Oh, it's back here. I don't know why I was looking somewhere else. See? Garlic in there. Mix it around. Oh, I put that piece in there. Nope, that's coming out. Put the stalk in there on accident. I caught it. I put both stalks in there. Sheesh, I'm fucking up tonight. It's been a long day, y'all. Saute these mushrooms up. Let me eat some more of this pork chop real quick while I'm waiting. Nice and delicious. Where did I put that bag at? There it is. I need my flour. Let these finish sauteing up. We're gonna move this up. Let me unplug this one up here. Yeah, y'all see I got 3 things going at one time. Okay, these are done. These are done, y'all. Hey, but I know these videos are going to be a little longer because it's a little unique of what I'm making tonight, y'all. At least to me it is. But hey, like that. Move this down here. See? Shrimp complete. That's simple for the shrimp. Now this is the hardest part, y'all. I'm gonna grab my wire whisk. Don't judge me, okay? It's the only one they had at the damn store. No disrespect, but I don't ride for the rainbow team. Okay, and since we only have this, we'll grab a plate down here. Separate the mushrooms out. So that way I can get them out of the way. Mushrooms are nice and sauteed up. Put it right there. Take just a little bit of flour, just a little bit. Grab me a spoon over here. Just a very little bit of flour because I'm not making much sauce. Oh, there's a mushroom. No, I didn't rinse it out or nothing. I deglaze the pan with butter. I know me and my fancy shit, huh? Might need a little bit more flour than that. Don't want to use too much. I don't have heavy whipping cream, that's why I'm using sour cream instead. Plus the sour cream is going to give it a different kind of flavor. Hopefully it mixes well under heat. Because with most pans you can move them off the heat. These you can't. They just pretty much constantly on heat because they are the heat. Open this. Mix while I stir. Ooh, popped on me. See, I kind of got weird looking. I'll whip it right. Feels like it melted like cheese. That's strange. I've never done this with sour cream, so it's my first time, so don't judge me. I just figured it's a cream, so it might work. Smell. Oh, it's starting to do what I wanted it to do. Uh-oh. Told y'all cooking is a science. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, it came together. Put this back in there. Put that whisk down. Put those back in there. Mushrooms back in there. Reach back here. Grab some spinach out. spinach in there. I'm gonna chop up some tomatoes into it. And the jalapenos will go in the other two, or the other one. I really only think I got enough for one. Get the spinach wilted up. That's all I'm trying to do with the spinach is wilt them up. Get these tomatoes nice and cooked down a little bit. This is gonna be a good one, y'all. Y'all know that ain't it. I have my Parmesan. Where did I put it? There it is. And that is also going to work to, I think, a little bit more butter. Butter. Smaller piece of spinach. I call this chicken Alfredo tacos, y'all. That's what this one is going to be. Of course, the other one is going to be a chorizo and egg taco. That one's going to be a shrimp and chorizo taco. But this one, you don't put taco seasoning with chicken Alfredo. You put goddamn Louisiana, in my opinion. Okay, that's done. We're going to take this off the heat, but we're not going to take it off the heat, you know what I mean? I got this Parmesan cheese container. Take this other piece of plastic off. Just going to scoop it in here. Let me do this with a fork. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, y'all. Y'all think this is gonna be good? Because I do. Look at that. Taco mix. Oh shit, that was real good. That's for me and me only should be it. I can put that over a pasta and it'd be fire. Y'all know, I like to think outside the box. But hey, let me clean this and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, here's the challenging part now. We're going to do the easy ones first. We're gonna do the easy one first. At least I hope they become easy. Goodness, I'm kind of nervous about this. Put this down in here. Yeah, I told y'all I'm doing this all for the first time. I've never bought these tortillas before. Especially making them in a truck is going to take a lot more time. Got these down. Ooh, that's hot. But hey, we'll be back. All right, y'all, we're back. We're about to build these things up now. They're going to be something quick and easy. Kept that going because obviously I'm still using some more. Take some of this chorizo egg out, put it in the middle, like so. This, like I said, this one's basic. This one's simple. Everybody done had chorizo and egg before. Some of this cheese right here. Some of this cheese. Put over there. Around the boundaries, of course, because we want to seal it in. And of course, on top. We'll grab these damn veggies right behind me. I'm just gonna grab a couple jalapenos out of here. Jalapenos. Nope. Flip this over. Hopefully the cheese seals in. And I doubt it will, because I made it a little too damn fat. Made it like me, too damn fat. Just joking, don't hate. Cover it up, let the rest of that tortilla cook, because the outside of it ain't cooked yet. It ain't cooked all the way at least. I'm hungry, I ain't ate nothing today, so. And of course I gotta find my damn taco sauce. It's in one of these damn bags. But hey, we'll be back. Alright y'all, we back. Since that chorizo one's almost done, play with this Alfredo one. I'm gonna try this one different. Try to see if I can make this a little different. Gotta put a lot of meat in it though. Of course, we need some sauce in there too. Plenty of meat though. Of course, some more Parmesan. We gotta seal it. Let me just put it on this side. There we go. You guys, first ever that I've seen chicken Alfredo taco. Take it, move it down a little bit. Try to crimp it. Well, not crimp it, just press it together. Try to get it to seal. that didn't work quite well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to manually kind of scoop this down here because it's all shooting out one side right now. There we go. Now try it again. Fold it over. Y'all saw that? Yeah. We'll do this. Got crispiness this side a little bit more before I put this one on. I'm gonna grab some more Parmesan. Try to put it on there like that. See if that cheese will melt before I flip it. This is my first time doing this, y'all, so don't judge me, okay? Look how crispy that side came, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That one. Now it's time to get this difficult one on. There we go. It's in. Let's see how this one turns out. This one I'm nervous about. This one has the most moisture on the inside. That might be the hardest to seal off. Okay, let me close it up so that cheese melts on the top too. And we'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all. Last one. I'm ready to eat and go take my shower. Grab me another tortilla. Put that one back down and grab one from the middle. This one's sticky. I like that. Grab the plate from back there. Grab this shrimp from up here. Grab my tongs from right there. Take the shrimp. Straight down like that. Oh, sorry, I didn't know y'all couldn't see it. lot of this fat is gonna come back out once it starts heating up. Put that back up there. Yeah. I'm gonna make one more shrimp one. Yeah, so this one is only mine 3. Mine I have 4. I'll take that one for inside so somebody can try the food. Cheese on it. See that one? Look how beautiful that one's coming out. I changed it up. I use oil for this one so it can fry instead of just saute. This one might actually be prettier than the other 2. This one might actually turn out the way I wanted it to. Y'all know I like my food to look good too. Smash it down. Seal it off. Sheesh. These tortillas, they put flour on them to stop it from sticking, trying to make it stick. There we go. What y'all think? Y'all see that side? And boom, that side's nice and toasted too, y'all. Look at that. How am I doing this in a truck, y'all? Tell me that don't look delicious. That's the Alfredo one. This is the shrimp one. Put it in the middle. Let that other side kind of fry up a little bit. Took this cheese crisp off. I like the fried cheese. Love that taste, y'all. We're gonna put the lid on it. Slide back down a little bit. There we go. And hey, we'll be back. Ooh, you know what would have been crazy? I should have put egg in that one. Have that nice egg in there. I'll do it with mine. You know what? I'm gonna start this one over with a new tortilla and put the egg on it. Yeah, I'm gonna start it over. Waste the tortilla, ain't tripping. This is gonna be different. Open back up and close back up, so you gotta put that one on here. It's starting to cook. Oh, maybe it will. No, let me see if it will. Make a pocket real quick. Grab told you I do this as I go. Maybe that'll help it seal too. The yolk already busted, so it ain't no big deal. I don't like running egg anyway. Yeah, I might have to. Yeah, that egg making it nice and soft, so it's gonna stick. It's gonna stick. I should have done this in the instead of the egg wash. I just use the egg. Let's see how this goes, y'all. Let's try to get this back in here now. Ooh, this is gonna be difficult. There we go. What that distraction? You gotta know what you're doing. Let's see if that egg will seal it off. There we go. There we go. See, hey, I told you, this is random stuff. This is how I cook, y'all. I cook very random. I don't pre-measure nothing. I just go off of, ooh, that might be good. Y'all just saw it. Y'all just saw it. But we'll have at it. Guys, we got a taste test again. We're at the Pilot Flying J in Oregon. It's actually gonna be at the end of the video, so.
It smells delicious.
It smells
Thank
really
you.
good.
Yeah. Oh, that looks fantastic. You want to hear that?
I'll try it now.
You want to try it? Working nice, man.
What about the ladies?
Oh, she's
Huh?
gonna come back. He's telling her all about it.
Adriana, do you want any of this?
Want some?
You sure?
It smells really good.
It smells really good.
Okay.
Y'all can open masks.
Like I said, everything's from scratch.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
We tried to go.
Right?
Oh, look, that smells good. Look at that.
Yeah. No, that's awesome.
I'm putting this on.
Oh, yeah, that looks fantastic.
Let's see.
That's really good.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Made 100% in my truck.
That's really good.
And the wrap on the outside is actually, you know, the uncooked tortillas that they sell at the store? That's all that is. And I just took them, I stuffed them, crimped them, and fried them in my pans that I buy at the truck stops.
I mean, I would have just assumed this was off a food truck. Well, this is really good.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's the best food I'm going to get around here. That's for sure.
That was awesome.
Yeah, now I want you to try that one. And you try that one.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
like, oh yeah, let me.
Yeah, but you're gonna ask me something. Oh, okay.
I'm a really big fan of shrimp.
I am too.
Me and shrimp.
And that's actually Texas Gulf shrimp.
Oh, man.
That's good.
I don't even know which one I like more. They're so good. You want to try this?
It's super good.
All right, you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for the taste test.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. And the YouTube channel is actually Truck Cooking with Truckers Life. That's my
Truck Cooking
YouTube
with
channel.
Truckers Life?
Truck Cooking with Truckers Life.
That's awesome.
All right, you guys have a good night.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
No problem. You guys, we had a successful taste test again. There we go, y'all. You guys see us. Truck Cooking with Truckers Life, baby. With taste test. Oh, you're welcome, sir. And this is in the middle of a truck stop, y'all. This is them at none but trucks. Going right back to my truck to eat my food now. But y'all see, we do this, y'all. And I'll holla at y'all. I'm out. Truckers, baby. Ooh, that light shining, huh? Yeah, I like it.